Starting with a moisturizer. Applying moisturizer is very important for the smooth base. Then apply primer. If you have acne on your face, then never skip primer. Then I'm applying color corrector for hiding my dark circle and all the pigmentation I have on my face. Then I'm applying concealer. Blend with a blender. After concealer, I'm using foundation. I'm using a very lightweight foundation. Blend again. Here I am using compact powder for set the whole base. I have naturally thick eyebrows, that's why I'm not doing anything on my eyebrows. I just comb with mascara brush. For eyeshadow, I'm using a beige shade first, then a dark brown shade, using as an eyeliner. I'm using same eyeshadow in lower eyelid. Here I am using a light brown shade on my crease line. Then I'm using a shimmer eyeshadow middle of the eyes. I'm using a color for draw my inner corner. I'm using same kajal as eyeliner. And I'm using mascara. Here I'm contouring my nose. Then I'm applying blush. Here I'm using a brown shade lipstick. For highlighter, I'm using my fingers. Don't forget to apply on inner corner.